Start with the conventional 24-grit aluminium oxide fiber disc and chamfer this piece of structural steels. These fiber discs are characterized above all by their low price. Even in fast motion at 10 times the speed, we need a relatively long time. We stop after 3 minutes and 36 seconds because the disc is blunt and the material is already overheating. During grinding, the cheap corundum grit wore off so much that it eventually glazed over. This can be clearly seen against the light in the sparkling areas of the disc. We combine the new KFX Speed with the new RH Speed backing pad. Both products have been specially matched to each other, and their surface design enables higher stock removal with reduced heat development. The big difference here is the grain size, a special geometrically shaped ceramic grain. Its triangular, prismatic shape and material properties make the KFX Speed more aggressive and durable than most fiber discs known to date. The 36+ grit removes significantly more material and faster than the 24 grit of the standard fiber disc. And while the standard fiber disc is already used up, KFX Speed can still be used for a lot of grinding work. The result is 1 minute 17 seconds and therefore more than 64% faster, calculated up to the point of demolition. Another major advantage, the grinding dust in the air is greatly reduced and the coarse chips virtually stick together. Thanks for liking and sharing. Subscribe to our channel now so you don't miss any new videos.